This is a wood-clad window, but with a cladding is painted is arched and has an effect of the wood color. So this is what makes it special. From interior, it has a large wood. Wood which are available is pine with visible micro joints or a solid one without the joints visible. Then it goes meranti, which is harder, very similar to mahogany. The window like that costs about 5% more than a pine window, so it's not a big deal. And the meranti is also harder wood than pine, but also same U factor, so it's also a warm wood. You can choose from 6 other styles of the cladding, more square. You can also choose different glazing bead, the different shape of the profile for the wood inside. This is version softline, so the most rounded, but we have also totally square version with leveled frame and sash, with typical square window. So there's many options. In our wood and wood-clad windows, you can choose the color of the silicone, you can choose the color of every gasket. We have 5 available color of the gaskets: white, gray, light brown, dark brown and black. And you can match. For example, Alutrend windows has 4 gaskets and every single gasket can be in different color. It makes sense because you can have different color from the inside and from the outside.